Well, in the last episode, you saw me get the excavation done and then put in the footing and the foundation wall with the help of a bunch of volunteers who in fact are carpentry apprentices and coincidentally students of mine at the local technical college. Now in this video, I get the backfilling done, then I trench for the rough plumbing drains. The plumber shows up and puts in the pipes, then we compact everything, then I call for my volunteers again and we get the walls built, followed by the concrete finisher showing up and placing the concrete for the floor. Now sit back and enjoy the video.
Don't drop it.
He's walking behind it.
Okay, just a second.
Let's put a nail there to not.
I might just do that, but.
Ready?
One.
Set.
Don't trip on the 2x6.
Ready? Oh! Oh, it is a bit heavy. You guys
Really?
are right. Told ya!
We can do it. We can do it.
Oh, sawdust in my face.
Okay.
Okay, somebody go.
Yeah, I've got to send it down. We've got to adjust it here.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, good. Here's that. Yeah, listen. Sorry, gotta pull this nail. guys? Just want to get that. Okay, go ahead.
Yes. Good enough, I guess. Ready?
Yeah. Of course I grabbed the stuff that's not nailed. Okay, stop. That's good.
Right here.
Okay. Looking pretty good.
I'll do it right here now.
He's unloading that truck.
So join me in the next video when we get the trusses up and the roof on.